Hey there, business leaders. Today let's dive into a topic that's as old as corporate strategy itself, balancing short-term demands with long-term vision. It's a tightrope walk, and if you're not careful, you might lose your balance. Imagine this. You're steering the ship of a thriving company and suddenly activist investors are banging on the door, demanding quick returns. They're laser-focused on quarterly earnings, stock prices, and immediate gains. But you're in it for the long haul. You see beyond the horizon, your vision, sustainable growth, innovation, and lasting impact. Here's the crux of the matter. How do you satisfy these short-term demands without compromising your long-term strategy? First up, let's talk about listening. Yes, listening. Investors have their pulse on the market and can offer valuable insights. Engaging in a dialogue with them shows that you're open to feedback and committed to shareholder value. But remember, listening doesn't mean blindly following. It's about understanding their perspective and finding a middle ground. Next, transparency is key. Be upfront about your long-term goals and the steps you're taking to achieve them. A transparent approach can help build trust and align expectations. When investors see the bigger picture, they're more likely to support your vision, even if it means waiting a bit longer for those returns. Now, let's talk about balance. It's not about choosing one over the other, but integrating short-term wins into your long-term strategy. Think of it as building a staircase. Each step is a short-term goal leading up to your long-term vision. Celebrate those small victories because they're the building blocks of your grand plan. Look at companies like Amazon and Tesla. They faced immense pressure for quick returns, but stayed true to their long-term vision. Today, they're industry leaders not because they ignored short-term demands, but because they balanced them with their long-term strategy. It's about resilience and patience. Don't forget about innovation. It's the secret sauce that keeps your company ahead of the curve. Activist investors might not always see the value of investing in R&D or new technologies, but as a visionary, you know that these are crucial for long-term success. Show them how innovation today translates to market dominance tomorrow. Lastly, communicate. Regular updates, clear milestones, and a coherent narrative about where the company is headed can work wonders in aligning short-term expectations with long-term goals. Keep the conversation going and be consistent in your messaging. So, business leaders, remember this. Balancing short-term demands with long-term strategy isn't easy, but it's essential. Listen, be transparent, find balance, innovate, and communicate. It's a strategy that not only satisfies your investors, but also keeps your vision intact. Stay focused, stay visionary, and keep building towards the future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay balanced.